Driver, open the car door. Let me see your hands. Step on out. Step on out. Look away. Back up to the sound of my voice. Yep. Stop right there. Lift your shirt up. Turn. Do a 360.
What?
Just listen to us. We'll talk about it. Keep going. Keep going. Turn. Turn. Now walk back to the sound of my voice. Come on. Keep coming. 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 Walk back to me.
Hands on your back.
On the Anytime Fitness, it was at 4:13 is when that thing was.
Isaiah 10, this is the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. We are in your front driveway. We have a warrant for your arrest. Come to the front door with nothing in your hands. We are not going away.
We're heading your way to a...
Hands
Come
up!
on out, put your hands up.
You're good. Come on out. Hands up.
Come
Put
on
your
out,
hands
put
up.
your hands up. Target to the officer.
Can't tell.
Target? Yeah, it looks like
Yeah. Yep. Put your hands up!
Listen, put your
Put your hands
up.
in the air. Hands up!
Hands in the air. Hands in the air.
All right. Slowly walk toward me. Let's go. Right here. Right here. Walk right here. Let's go. Yeah.
Walk this way. Listen to the instructions.
Yep.
Hey, keep your hands up and walk out towards me. Hey, over here.
Come this way.
Over here. You're going to get hit with the less lethal. Get your hands up and walk toward me. Hands up and walk toward me. Hands up and walk toward me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Stop. Stop. Turn around. Keep your hands up. Turn around. Hands up. Keep your hands up. Hands up. Don't reach for your waist. Do not reach for your waist. Look at me. Back up to me. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. All right, go to your knees. Put your hands behind your back. Stay there. Stay there. Don't move. Isaiah? Isaiah? Stand up. Isaiah 10, right?
Alright, 10-4.
Face that way.
Both suspects in custody and Andrew's there or no?
Keep walking. Keep walking. Now turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Is there anybody else inside?
straight.